Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mitsubishi Lancer's maintenance light. This common service reminder, often showing a small wrench icon, indicates it's time for routine upkeep. You can easily clear this light yourself using a few simple steps, saving you a trip to the dealership. We will cover the process in detail, ensuring you can confidently manage your vehicle's service notifications. Let's get started and keep your Lancer running smoothly. To begin, make sure your Mitsubishi Lancer's doors are all securely closed and the ignition key is in the OFF position. Next, insert your key and turn it to the ACC or on position, but do not start the engine. Now, find the info button, typically located on your steering wheel or instrument panel. Press this button several times until the service reminder, often a wrench icon, appears on your multi-information display. With the service reminder displayed, press and hold the info button for approximately 2 seconds. Keep holding it until you see the wrench icon on your display start to flash. Once it begins flashing, release the info button. Then, quickly press the info button one more time for a short duration. This action should confirm the reset, and the display will typically show clear or the new service interval. After completing the reset sequence, turn your ignition completely off. Then, turn the ignition back to the on position or start your engine to confirm that the routine maintenance required message has disappeared. If successful, the service reminder light will be off. Always remember that resetting the light is not a substitute for actual vehicle maintenance. Refer to your owner's manual for your Lancer's recommended service intervals and specific instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.